Hi guys, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I haven't made a haul video in a long time. I don't know, I just don't have the time, I guess. But this one was such a good deal that I decided I'm going to show you my HSN haul from last Tuesday. I've had this a couple of days over the weekend. Today's Monday, of course. But a lot of this stuff, everything is on sale. If it's not on sale, I don't need to buy it. But everything was on really good prices or clearance or the mystery craft clearance. HSN, every time they have a craft day, they have a mystery craft sale, and everything is on sale at a clearance or a sale price, and then the mystery, it's even $4 or $5 cheaper. I don't understand. I think if it's on sale, it's on sale. I don't understand the mystery of it, and if you don't happen to know it, you're going to pay $4 more than I did because I knew to go. I think if it's on sale, it's on sale. But anyway, let me show you such great bargains that I got. This is from EK Success, and it's the whole kit for $29. It's the album, and the album is so made, the quality is so nice. It's got 10 of these, and it's got a cover on it to keep it clean. I had to buy two. It says EK Success. I had to buy two of them because of two families, the grandchildren and grandchildren, the daughter and the son. And it came with these, $29 for everything I'm going to show you. This is 52 pieces of ephemera, and there's all the ones, and I think you get 4 of each. 2 of each design, 2 of each. And there's 52 of them. Let me move this out of the way. Oh my God, it is so nice. Then you get the paper, which is hard to find Disney, and it actually is Disney. It says Disney on it. So I'm going to go through the paper really fast because I got a lot to show you. So you get 3 sheets of each, and then that's the back side. I'm going to do it cockeyed for you so you can see. 3 sheets, then it's this one, and then that's the back side. Then it's this one and the back side. You can cut these apart and make these borders. So this is a really good page. This paper is made for scrapbooking. Then it's this page, and then the back side. This page, I know we're looking at it sideways, and the back side. It's got the border already. This page is pink, got pink on it, and then the back side of mini. This page, the back side. This page, the back side. This page. It's going to just plop your picture in it and you're done. And then the back side, this page and the back side of it. 3 of each. And that is so cute. And then the back side. Okay, so there is 36 sheets, and it's pretty good quality, and it's going to be in an album. Then you get more stickers, more embellishments, and more paper. So I'm not going to open it because I have so much to show you, but you get these papers too, which I think I might have a couple of them, or even if I have them all, it all came in this kit. So wow, that is so nice. Then I didn't realize how nice it was going to be because I bought it so quick because of the price being $29 on sale. I hope it's still on sale for you. I bought the extended kit. I'm not going to open them, but this says dinner, celebrate dinner, I think, or dining dinner, and it's 3-dimensional. This looks like it's embroidered, and look how pretty that is. I'm going to go through it real fast because I got so much. Look at the embellishments, and these are letters, the Mickey letters. Oh my gosh, so cute. These are pop dotted raised. This is, I don't remember how much this was, but it was a add-on to the album. And I only bought one, even though I bought 2 albums, and there's so much I didn't need another one. Those are shadow box. These are bottle caps. I remember way back when these were popular. This probably is not archival safe, but they're so cute. This is really nice and puffy. This is more letters, front and back. This is Minnie and Mickey looking at the fireworks. Look at this. Look at that. It's raised. It's got a big sticker on the back. This one's raised. And then there's even more, 132 pieces. And that's what you get. So guys, if you didn't know about it, and you do Disney, because we do Disney, go run and do that. Okay, what's next? I didn't buy just Anna this time. I bought other stuff. This is Bo Bunny, and it's the Bridgerton, very Victorian, papers, and the kit. I don't remember how much this was, but it was on that mystery sale, and you get the letters. You get, I didn't even open this. You get 200 pieces. 200, wow, of 200 of embellishments. Let's see what's in it real fast. I'm not going to go through it all. I'm just going to show you. It is paper. This would be even really good for a junk journal. But there's just so much. There's just so much. Made with love. That's cute. Wow. I guess there's 2 of each of everything. Journaling cards and all kind of stuff. So there's a key. So I know I'm going fast because I have a lot to show you. Then these are vellum, and there's 50 of the vellum. I'm not going to open it, but I hope you go find this. But let me show you the paper. It is not open yet. I try to pre-do this. This is single-sided. It is, how many sheets? 48, single-sided, with gold foil. So let's open this. Oh, there's journaling cards. It's pretty good weight. There's that one. I don't know how many of each. I'm going to go really fast. Foil, non-foil. But this is supposed to be for, this is foiled. This is supposed to be very Victorian. There's something else in here that's way more Victorian than that. That's going to shock you when I show you. But this is very nice. I want to say that I spent $16 on everything of this set. There is a spider. A little baby spider. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so I'm doubling it. So I don't know how many times we see the same thing. I guess twice, maybe? But yeah. So there was that. And this was from Bo Bunny. Okay. This was on sale, and it was Anna Griffin, and this is the only thing that wasn't on the secret sale or way clearance. And this is card layering, cut and embossed folders. She had a smaller one way back, and I really loved it, but these are the bigger ones, and So I had to buy them, and I know I'll use them a lot. They can be for frames and then put the picture on top, or card making and everything. So I had to get this. This was the big splurge. I think it was 40 something. Ugh. Okay, so this is Anna Griffin Flower Cart double-sided cardstock, 56 6x8. And I think everyone has seen this. It's been out there. But, you know, this was like $11, $12. So, and it's both sides. So, you know, I know what I'm going to do with this, and I'll show you and make a tutorial on this. But you can't go wrong. So I got that because this was cheaper than if you just went to HSN and looked at it. It was like $5 cheaper. It was like $11.95. But if you, under the mystery sale, mystery or craft mystery sale, every Monday they have a Monday mystery sale also. Then the regular sale price, it was even dropped more. I bought this on the mystery sale, and it is cartoon blue cardstock and everything. And we've already seen this, so I'm not going to open it. But this was even cheaper on the mystery sale. That's Anna Griffin. This was on the mystery sale, cartoon. Why am I saying cartoon when I can't? Canton blue. Canton blue cardstock and embellishments. So this is for scrapbooking, card making, dioramas, whatever. Okay, I couldn't get the word out. This is the create new. Why can't I speak today? I'm trying to rush. This is the Carte Noir cardstock, and it was on the mystery sale, and y'all have seen this before, but it was too good of a price, so I bought that. Wait until you see the last two items. Okay, this was on the mystery, and I think it was $14 or $12, and it's the Carte Noir cardstock and vellum, and you get 24 12 by 12 cardstock and 12 vellum. And I'm not going to open it. If you go to hsn.com and you look up these, you will then see their video, their 3-minute video of what it looks like if you're interested. Now, here are two more. This is Crafter's Companion, and they were on the mystery sale. This is very, very Victorian. This was $17, and her other one was $17. So go look and see. This is 36 sheets, and this one is 24. So one is more, but anyway, this paper is so Victorian and reminds me of Pride and Prejudice or Bridgerton or whatever, and it is foiled, and it's double-sided, and you get 2 of each. And oh my gosh, does that not look, the cameo right here, can y'all see that? I don't know if you can see it. Does it not look like Pride and Prejudice or Sense and Sensibility? It is gorgeous. So let's go through this. I'm going to go pretty fast. And it is shiny, which is okay. And it is really good paper. Look at that, how beautiful. So if I'm doing a page layout, I would put a picture here, but I would not cover that up, or I would fussy cut that out and then raise it. I mean, the little cameo necklaces, or what are they, lockets? Another heart locket. That's so pretty. This is prettier than when I saw it, because I bought it prior to them airing it, and I never saw it aired. Maybe they didn't have the mystery sales aired as much because they were lower on stock or something. I don't know. But I just wanted to show y'all this today. I normally don't, but this is so pretty. I love it. I can't wait to make an album with this. So there's that one, and it is called Age of Innocence, Elegance. I swear to God, when I'm low on iron, my brain is so foggy. Anyway, that's their signature collection. Acid free, so yeah. Okay, and the last one, oh my God, let me concentrate. Is called what? Where is it? Meadow Garden, 36 sheets, 3 of each. And it is double-sided as well, which is very nice. And it is not that glossy, shiny like the one prior. So there's 3 of each. 1, 2, 3, and then there's the back. 1, 2, 3, and the back. 1, 2, 3, in the back. Front's prettier. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if I like all the drippiness of it. It's doable, it's workable, it coordinates, but I do like the front a lot better. But for $17, this is going to make a beautiful album. Okay, so I'm going to show you, okay, there you go. I'm going to show you one more thing that I didn't get from HSN. I got it from Amazon, and I think I had told y'all during my let's see, what was it? The Wildflowers? What is the kit that we're working on right now for Anna is the Wildflowers Meadows mini album. I've been making a layout tutorial every day, so go back and check that out on her little kit. And I did not look at any of her videos or copy any of her videos. Everything that I make tutorials on, it's my idea. I never copy Anna's that she makes videos on because I don't want to trademark, do anything wrong, and I pay to watch her members only and finishing school stuff, and if I pay for it, then it's not my place to show others. But remember, I wanted more. So this is from Amazon, and these are We Are Memory Keepers. So I got the 8x8 so that the album can have 2 more pages in it. So I stuck them in here already, and I have 2 more pages to make layouts for, to add to that. And so I bought the 8x8. These are 25 in here, and it was $9.99. They are the best quality sleeves for album making, the ring bound. And then if you need the link on this, I'll give it to you. And then I bought, for the 12x12, this came 100. I didn't need 100. It was cheaper to buy the 100. I think they were sold out of the 50, so I got it. So this is forever. We'll have it. So they are very good quality, better quality than any other album I've had. So if you're interested in adding a couple of more sheets, then go to, I don't know the quality of the other companies on Amazon, but We Are Memory Keepers is top notch. So anyway, I hope you like what I showed you. I am just tickled. I think I'm more tickled about the Disney. It was such a good price, and I'm gonna make it for my grandkids, so maybe that's why I'm so happy about it. But I just love everything I got. Thank you, and have a blessed day. Bye, everyone.